Hello everyone, welcome to Catalysis by Vedantu, and right now is the time where we reveal this surprise. Well, I'm pretty sure all of you are smart enough and you've already deciphered what the surprise is. Well, the surprise is that Vedantu is launching a new English channel. Yes, you heard that right, a new language channel for English. Now, a lot of you would be like, sir, why? Because there are a lot of people who want to get better at the English language, and it makes sense as well because it is technically speaking a global language. In case you go to any other country, if you're traveling to any other country, almost everywhere in this world, in the present scenario, no one speaks English perfectly. Yeah, some people do, very rare. But everyone understands a little bit of English. So in case you know English, you can survive anywhere you go in the world. Almost anywhere you go in the world. Also, the very important thing that I want to tell you is when you go into college, 99% your language of instruction in college is going to be in English. So giving an example of IIT Bombay, all the classes used to be in English because there are people from all over the country over there. Yeah. So the thing is, English is an important language, and I'm not saying it's more important than any other language. It's just one more language that you should become good at. Yeah. So let's just see some more details about this channel, right? Let me show you.
Hi guys, what's good everybody? My name is Dheeraj, a master teacher of English at Vedantu Learning Platform. Here I am, I take this opportunity to talk about a new channel that is We Learn English in a nutshell. So stay tuned and let's get started. If you see, in this world of dynamic competition, there is only one way to succeed, one way to improve ourselves, that is we need to constantly upgrade our skills. So when we use the word skills, of course, we are talking about to be more confident, to be more dedicated, to be a little more patient, and many more qualities like that. But among all these skills, the most important skill that is required and is the need of the hour today is our communication skills. So when we talk about our communication skills, of course, I'm talking about the most important language today, that is the English language. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to belittle the importance of other languages, especially in a country like India. There are so many other languages, but then English today is a global language and we cannot ignore the importance of it. Be it the field of science, education, technology, everybody has taken up to English language. So what are we going to cover in this channel? What do we have special for you in this channel? If you see, English language is used two ways, that is academically and pragmatically as well. So when I say academically, I'm talking about regular topics, that is grammar, vocabulary, writing topics. So of course we will cover all of those topics, all the grammar topics, all the vocabulary topics and writing skill topics as well. Be it for school level exams, college level exams, university based exams, that's academic side of it. But what matters more is that we sound confident when we speak English. We speak English fluently. That's called the communicative aspect of it. So how about you preparing for your next job interview? How about you trying to become an excellent public speaker? How about you trying to speak English fluently? And the most important, how about you trying to speak as clearly as possible? That is what we call communicative aspect of it. This is exactly the gap is between the academic and the communicative aspect of it. This is what we have closely observed, very closely and diligently observed, and that is what we are going to bridge this gap of academic English and communicative English through this amazing channel that is We Learn English. This is what we call 360-degree approach to learning of English. So stay tuned with us. I hope all of you must be as excited as we are to learn this amazing language, English. Thank you.
Alright people, so I'm hoping that you are excited about this channel. In case you want to subscribe to that, in case you think that's going to be helpful, please go down to the description box, open the link, and yeah, that's it from my side in this quick little announcement session. I hope this would be helpful for you. Stay subscribed to the channel. Until next time, take care. See you soon.